Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today it's going to be fun makeup, beach party, summer beach party makeup. So if you are in for some colorful makeup, humidity proof, sweat proof, you are in the right place. Thank you, and let's get into creating this look. Hello friends and welcome to today's video. We're going to get ready for a summer beach party. It's going to be colorful and I'm going to use Natasha Denona Loco palette. It's nice vibrant colors. So I'm just going to start. I've done my eyebrows. Find my eyelids using Smashbox 24. So I'm going to take this shade here, Candy, as my transition. It's called Cotton Candy as my transitional shade, and just put that one in my crease. And I'm just buffing it out using a rougher brush. This is number 15. And you've noticed I'm just packing it on because I want it to show up, so I'm not even tapping off excess. So I'm going in with Rafa 28 and I'm taking this shade here, Fireworks, and I just put that one in my inner corner. It's an orange. And then I just go in back with the transition shade and enhance it. Then I'm going in with the Joker over here, and I just want to put that one in center lid. And I'm using same brush, I'm just flipping it over, and then I'm taking Magic. And I want to put that one in outer lid. Just packing it on my outer V. Then I'll blend everything together. And I'm not tapping my brush because I need to really enhance this shade. Then I just flip my brush back and go back in into Joker. Here. And then I just enhance that one and connect the two. And I go in back with the Fireworks. Then I take the transition shade and clean the Cotton Candy shade. I'm just cleaning. I want to take this Canon and put that one in there. I'm just using my fingers to get the best payoff. So I'm using that Canon shade. Then I'm taking Razzle Dazzle. It's shimmer, and put that one. And I'm just blending it with my finger, connect both. Then I'm going in with Act, and I'll just intensify it. Now I'm just taking a tiny bit of this grime, this greenish shimmer. I just want it to connect Yeah. Then I'm taking a flat brush with this snow case, and I want to put that in my tear dot, just to open up the eye. So I'm just going to leave the eyes there, and then I will go in with the primer. This is e.l.f. Gripping Primer. Since this is a beach party, it's humid and the heat, so you need your makeup to grip on and stay long. And this primer is really gripping, so during summer I think it's the best to help your makeup stay on. I'm going to use a Gala foundation. This is in shade 7N. Just put it on my palette, and this shade, shade 7N, is a little bit deep for me during winter, but now during summer I've been in the sun, I've been swimming, so it's perfect shade for me. And this foundation stays on. It's a long wearing foundation, so it's perfect for the party, especially beach party, when you're going to dance and sweat and the humidity at the beach. I'm just applying a thin layer. I don't want it to be too much. For contour, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury. This is in shade 4. This is how it looks like. I'm going to use cream blush, and this is from Rare Beauty. This is in shade Grateful. Just going to that one there, just 2 dots. So blush is blended. For concealer, I'm using Natasha Denona in shade NR13. Then I just go in with the foundation brush and blend. I'm going in with Givenchy powder. This is in shade 5. And I just want to use this one to set my under eye. Then for all over the face, I'm going in with the NARS loose powder. Just finishing powder, I'm going in with the Hourglass palette, and I'm just taking the finishing powder here. You can use any finishing powder. And remember, You don't need to have same products, please. Use wherever you have. Just be happy. So I'm just going in with this one because this is at the party, you need to reflect. And hourglass powders, they're so perfect in catching the light. Just like that. For bronzer, I'm using Amani in shade 120. Just bronze. Powder blush, I'm using Dior. This is in shade Cherry. And I didn't pick up the new ones because I have this one, so I'm covered. Just taking a dense brush. For highlight, I'm using MAC. This is Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin. This is how it looks like. I just want to we'll go back to the eyes and finish with the eyes. I'm just taking a small brush and going in with the Acrobat. And I want to use that one as my eyeliner. And I just take a smaller brush and go into this shade here. And I want to put that in my tear dot. So I'm just going to use a lip liner and line my lips. For lipstick, I'm using Dior in 879 transfer proof. For party makeup, you need like bulletproof lipstick, need to stay on because you don't have time to reapply all the time. So non-transfer lipstick is the best for this kind of occasions. I'm just using a black liner to okay friends, so this is our final look. This is how it looks. I hope that you enjoyed this look, you enjoyed getting ready with me. Please like, subscribe, share my videos, and thank you so much, and I look forward to hear from you.